Hello students, hope you are all doing good. Today we will see some important guidelines while appearing to TalentX exam. Students, आइए जानते हैं कि हमें कंप्यूटर या लैपटॉप पर एग्जाम देते समय किन किन बातों का ध्यान रखना चाहिए. For the best experience, make sure you are using Google Chrome as a preferred browser. In case of laptop, please ensure that your device battery is sufficiently charged. In case of desktop, please ensure a continuous supply of electricity for serving 3 hours before starting the test, or power backup is available. Make sure you are on stable internet connection. और अब हम ये देखेंगे कि TalentX ऐप यूज करते समय हमें किन किन बातों का ध्यान रखना चाहिए. You are required a stable internet connection for login. When you click on Start Test, a pop-up will appear and it will ask your device to switch to airplane mode. To avoid any sort of disturbances, ensure that the battery in your device is sufficiently charged for serving 3 hours before starting the test. When you click on the Submit Test, a pop-up will appear and it will ask your device to disable the airplane mode and connect to the internet for successfully submitting the test. A student can switch or change the device anytime during the exam if they face any sort of device issue, but in lieu of that, their exam will restart again from the beginning only with the remaining time. So हमने ये तो देख लिया कि हमें किन किन बातों का ध्यान रखना चाहिए. तो चलिए अब हम ये देखते हैं कि हमें किन किन बातों को अवॉइड करना चाहिए. Do not share your TalentX roll number and password with anyone. Do not switch, close or refresh the active test window once you have started the test. Do not change the date and time of the device in between the test. Do not attempt the test in multiple devices. Do not submit the test before time. Try to use entire duration of the test wisely. So these are some of the do's and don'ts that you have to keep in mind while appearing in the TalentX exam. One more thing that you need to remember is that you must log in the test before 30 minutes of the exam time. Exam time will be informed to you through SMS. And in case of any difficulty, you can directly contact us on our helpline number, that is 0744 275 0202, or you can email us at contact@talentx.com. All the best students for TalentX exam.